Hello everyone, today let's introduce Zhyao's electrostatic powder coating line. Our electrostatic powder coating process involves 5 key steps: surface pretreatment, drying oven, electrostatic spraying, curing oven, and conveyor system. Here is what makes our production line stand out. First, flexible pretreatment options. We offer a range of pretreatment methods like spraying deep wash, and sandblasting. So you can choose what works best for your products. It's adaptable to different industries and needs, ensuring top quality coating results. Second, powerful lifting system. Our lifting system supports multiple spraying guides, allowing both horizontal and vertical precision. It's precise and reliable, ensuring an even coat every time. Third, automatic conveyor speed adjustment. The conveyor belt runs in sync with lift, guaranteeing uniform results across every batch and improving production efficiency. 4. Quick color change. Our systems lets you change color in 5 to 15 minutes, keeping your production line moving without delays. 5. Efficient and powerful recovery system. With a large cyclone and a 2-stage recovery system, our powder recovery rate can reach 98%, minimizing powder waste and reducing operation costs. 6. Eco-friendly heating system. Using clean energy to power our heating system, we will help reduce energy consumption and emissions, supporting your eco-friendly production goals. Zhyyao has over 30 years experience in designing and manufacturing coating equipment, with 2 major production bases and 3 R&D centers, and over 2,600 projects delivered to over 60 countries. We are committed to providing tailored and high-performance solutions. If you are looking for a more efficient, eco-friendly powder coating line, feel free to reach out. Zhyyao is here to offer you customer solution and top quality service.
ZhYao, together we color the world.